Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to buy tokens on Pancakeswap with Metamask. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Metamask mobile application. Now once you are in it, you just have to tap on the browser tab in the bottom. After that, tap on the decentralized finance, and here you just have to simply try to find Pancakeswap. If you are not able to find it over here, then you can even use the search bar, and here in the search bar you need to search for Pancakeswap and press enter. Once done, you will be redirected on the browser that you have selected. In my Metamask account, I have selected DuckDuckGo, so that's why it is showing me. So you just have to simply tap on the Pancakeswap's official website, which would be Pancakeswap. So after tapping on it, you will be on pancakeswap.finance, where you just have to connect your Metamask wallet with it. So in order to connect it, you just have to tap on the connect button in the top right hand corner of the screen. Now on Pancakeswap, by default, if you have any trust wallet, then it would be very easy for you to connect your wallet with it. But after tapping on connect, you will be able to see Metamask. So you need to tap on it icon, then tap on the connect button in the bottom right hand corner, and this way you will be able to buy tokens on Pancakeswap with Metamask. Now once you are successfully connected with it, you just have to start the swapping process. For that, you just have to go to the page of the swapping, where you can use the token that are available in your Metamask account to purchase the token that you want. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.